Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Recently, I've not been able to record using OBS because I keep getting this error about the output failed and the NVENC or NVENC drivers not working and update my drivers. Here's an artist's reconstruction of the error I've been getting. Now, to fix this, all I did was go to the OBS Discord server and search up the solution, and here's what it was. After doing this solution, you will be able to use your video graphics card drivers and not your CPU. But you will need to just go into recording and switch both of these to your CPU drivers just for a second here, apply the changes, start recording, and then stop recording. And I'm not going to do that because I'm currently recording. And then you're going to go back to output, and then you can change these back to your NVENC drivers, and it should work perfectly. That worked for me. I think it has something to do with rebooting the NVIDIA NVENC drivers for some reason because they're no longer applied. But whatever it is, the solution worked perfectly for me, and I think this works on all operating systems. I just wanted to make a quick video about this in case anyone else was having this problem. And thank you for watching.